We're looking to a consistent implementation of the Animal Protection Act. This woman, Antoinette van Wyk, who says that she was ill and she didn't have money to go and take her dog, whose leg was ripped off from the thigh joint, to get it any help. So left it in the driveway.
Really are hoping for some justice for the little dog today. The dog was lying in the driveway of the home, and he was alive and looking at us, and his leg was gone. It was a huge open wound, and I picked him up and put him in the car and raced to the vet. And what is incredibly sad is that the accused in this case must have seen the dog. There was no way she didn't see him on her way to work. And she could have called the SPCA to have his suffering ended. She could have put him in her vehicle to take him. She didn't.
Op pad werk toe gewees en daar swartes weet verbygeloop en hulle het my net, jy weet, hulle het my geroep en gesê Nonna kom kyk hier. Dis sê ek vir weet as dit 'n slang is moenie vir my wys want ek is baie bang vir slange en daai goed. Dis sê Nonna kom kyk dit en weet jy so nader ek loop hoor ek net hierdie geluidjies. Jy weet soos wat 'n hondjie wat kreun of wat soos wat ek nader kom sien ek hierdie hondjie. Maar jy kan sien weet hy kyk my so op en toe sien ek jy weet sy hele been is weg. Dit is net die kopra sit en ek weet nie of dit wurmpies was of wat daar was nie. Dit het verskriklik gelyk. Wat gebeur het was nie reg nie, regtig. Ons is almal, ek het ook diere en goed en ons kyk na ons diere en gee water en kos en speel en wat gebeur het was nie reg nie.
It's probably one of the toughest animal cruelty sentences ever.
Well, in regard to what the Act gives us, because the Act doesn't give us powers, but we got everything that the Act provides us. With regards to Simon, the order that she may not have pets and they also declared unfit to possess firearms. We got everything which the Act provides us.
I can't believe this. Really, thank you. You put a lot into this.
It's a pleasure.
Kyk in opsigte van die vonnis as die landros het 'n aanduiding gegee van waartoe hy so ons het verwag dit sou die uitspraak wees. Sy het skuldig gepleit, sy het geweet daar gaan gevolge daarvoor wees en dis nou maar wat gebeur het en sy sal dit uitdien.
We are very happy because it's justice to animals and it brings it shows respect that humans should have respect for themselves and animals. It's not just a pet.
It's a wonderful sentence.
I think it's the best sentence that I've ever seen in South Africa.